Hi again, everybody. Here is a quick tutorial on how to do your payroll register, and then there will be some steps afterwards for that. So in order to walk you through step by step, Unit 3 has all of the payroll information on the Mean Genes textbook. So again, that's on Schoology for you, and you can just kind of walk through it, all right? If you want to. I'm going to explain the payroll register part, all right? But then you're going to have to, on your own, figure out how to do the writing of the check for payroll, and then the writing of the check to the IRS afterwards. All right. So there's going to be directions underneath here at the end of Unit 3, pretty much. So closer, starting in here, starting on page 133 on how to do those two checks. So it's going to walk you through what you need to pay and all that fun stuff. All right. For right now, go to page 131 in your textbook, and then you're also going to have your email open. All right. So you need two things from your email. The first one is going to be your payroll register. So you're going to open it with Google Sheets. And then the second thing you're going to need to have open from your email is going to be your business forms. All right. And we've got to find in our business forms, we have to find our time cards. And some of you are going to have to like make some entries into your time cards, and some of you will not. And so if you need those printed, feel free to let me know and I can print them for you and have them ready for you to pick up in the Commons. Anyway, so we've got these 3 time cards here, all right? And notice that there are actually 12 different employees at the Pedestal Bank. Some of you are going to have 2, 3, or maybe even 4 sheets of time cards. So don't just stop after the first sheet and go, oh, I only have 3 employees. No, you more than likely have more, all right? Actually, I know all of you have more than 3 employees, all right? So we'll just start with employee number 1, and you'll get a pretty good feel for this after this. All right, so you're making up names for people. The pay period is ending July 13th, right? And then you put in your managers' names, right? So I know that Cody and Jack are managers in one of the sections of Intro to Business, and I know that Jonah and Cheyenne are the other 2 managers. We'll just use Cody and Jack as an example here. All right, so let's say that Cody and Jack decide that their employee number 1 is named LeBron James, all right? And then let's say that they notice that their employee number 2 is named Anthony Davis, all right? We'll just do those first 2 for today, so that way you can kind of get a gist of this, and then you can roll with all the rest of it. All right, so employee number 1 has a regular hours of 80, a rate of pay of $675, right? And they have 0 exemptions. That's going to be important for federal income tax. So 0 exemptions. Rate of pay was $6.75, and they worked 80 regular hours. All right. Now notice it does all those calculations for us, and LeBron did not do any overtime hours for that pay period. All right. So all of that is good. All right, we just need to double check that this federal income tax is correct. So what we do is we go to and we remember the gross pay of $540, and we remember 0 exemptions. So we found the $540 here. All right, at least $540, and 0 exemptions is actually this first column here. So what we do is we see that $540 is 53 or $53 taken out. All right, so we go back here, and is it 53? Yep, perfect. All right, and we'll do that for Anthony Davis as well. So Anthony Davis is our employee number 2. All right, he's got 1 exemption. All right, and his rate of pay is $7.10 per hour. All right, Anthony works 72 regular hours, 0 overtime hours. All right, remember we put in 1 exemption for him. Okay, 72 hours, right? $511.20 does that for us. All right, now we need to look and just double check that that $511.20 with 1 exemption, so remember this is 1 exemption, right, is correct. All right, $511.20, okay, is right there, $29, and that is correct for us. All right, So you will do all of your employees. Again, the bank is going to have 12 people. You're going to come up with totals, and then you'll have to look in the textbook again. Remember, starting on page 133 to figure out who do I need to write checks to. And then you have to write those checks, take pictures of them, and send them to the post office, and the post office will send them to whoever they need to be sent to. Right? All right. Hopefully that kind of explains payroll for you. If you have any more additional questions, please don't hesitate to email me. Thanks and have a good day.